YouTube? I'm back here with another video. And in this video right here, I'm going to show y'all how in this past week I made about, right here as you can see it says 3,700 in probably less than about 4 or 5 hours, honestly. This week was like a little short week since it was Thanksgiving and stuff like that. It wasn't that much movement in the market, and also I just didn't even really, I wasn't on the market like that how I normally be. So as you can see in this history right here, I traded on the, mind you, this is a funded account. I'm right now with the Forex funder. They had like a 60% off deal for Black Friday. So I had gotten $100,000 account, which was pretty easy. So right here you see I had initially started on the 20th. I traded from the 20th to the 24th and made about 3,700. So my first initial trade that I did was a gold trade, which I made 2,600 on. As you can see right here, looking on TradingView, initially I seen a couple hours beforehand back in the Asian sessions and also the New York sessions the day before it had hit daily resistance. So knowing that, I knew some news was coming out, which was the unemployment claims. And normally when unemployment claims is good, US goes up, US dollar goes up, in which gold goes down. So right here, the actual unemployment claims are 209,000, which previously was 233,000, which is good. So looking at the chart, you see right here, it had bounced off the resistance a couple days ago, which was the 21st. And then early in the day, on the 22nd, around 3 a.m., it bounced off of it and rejected it again on the 1 hour chart. I can go down to the 5-minute chart and show you how it was real easy and simple when it got to that time. So let's see. All right, so if you look at right here, you see the resistance getting hit and coming straight back down. And then it was consolidating for a while, for a couple hours before the New York session hit. And then right here, as you can see, this is the 8:30 candle, which the news came out on, came all the way down, and then created this imbalance in the market. So I knew it had to come at least test it back up top and go back down. And then I marked up some different little supports from previous times, in which, as you can see, it hit. So initially I put my, I got in the trade, I put my stop loss right above the little quick previous highs and stuff like that before the news came out. And right here, this was a little 1-2, almost a 1-to-3 ratio. And as you can see, look, within, let's see, within, got in the trade around like 9:55, within 20 minutes, 20-30 minutes, I had already made profit and stuff like that. And the only reason I closed this is, as you see right here in this candle, it kind of went all the way down and started rejecting back up, tracing back up within my profits. And I was like, nah, I'm just trying to close with some money and whatnot. But my initial all full take profit was this right here, which would have been, let's see, a 1-to-4 ratio, almost a 1-to-5 ratio. That would have been crazy. So that would have been almost maybe almost $10,000, as you can see right here. So that was my first trade, positive trade of the week. And like you see, it only took about 20, 30 minutes to happen. And then I got another trade later in the week, I believe Friday, which was right here. It was a 1-to-1 ratio on Euro US dollar. Shout out to my boy Kenzo. Let's see what I got on there. I made about 1,300, which is the last trade I did of the week. Honestly, that one, I didn't really look into it at all, honestly. My boy called it out and I just got in it. But as he sent the signal out and stuff like that, I kind of understood what he was trying to get. It was a long exhaustion candle that is shot up, and then when the signal was sent out, the trade started retracing. As you can see, it almost hit the stop loss, but it kind of went in this candle right here, 50% of this candle right here. So I knew If it would have went anything below this right here, the stop loss would have got hit and I would have lost money and stuff like that. But as you see right here, this took about maybe 3 hours. I got in around like I think I got in around 10:20, and it closed out around noonish or afternoon, maybe 1 o'clock and stuff like that. And that right there made me a couple, almost 2,000, 1380 and stuff like that. So going on my Forex Funder, you can see this is the last trade I made 1,300, and to say this is another type of time, but I got in at 1725 and I closed at 2031, which is somewhat 3 hours and stuff like that. So in total, all my profit trades that I actually made this week took me less than 5 hours, honestly, which is pretty good. I'm gonna keep documenting this journey right now until I'm trying to get at least $3 million profit or 3 million funded in money, and then after that, I'm gonna start either giving away funded accounts and giving out signals and whatnot. So be on the lookout for that. And also, I'm gonna be recording some live videos of me trading. And also, I got some good videos coming out with some people, young kids and stuff like that. Just either learn how to trade or just I'm giving them money and putting it on the market and just seeing if they luckily can win or lose. So just be on the lookout for that. All right, see y'all.